Hello and good day, kids. It's Todd from Toju Racing Metal. How are we doing today? Dave the Hatman, who's behind the camera,
hey man,
he has this new car, and we're going to unbox this tonight instead of the Batman. The Batman's going to be tomorrow, so deal with it. All right, Dave himself has not even seen this car, so
I'm pretty excited.
it's a orange Mercedes, and it is freaking cool.
Oh man, I do like that.
I really like, we'll unbox it here in a sec, but I love the metallic, and I don't know if the camera can show it, but that blue is all reflective. The livery is beautiful. Carrera, liquid moly. I can't tell what that one says. SunEnergy, and the front looks pissed off.
I like it. Can't wait to see those lights.
Yeah, and the orange wheels, they're just beautiful. We've already got some urethane tires and a new guide keel for it. Let's go ahead and pop this off and get a closer look at everything else, and then Dave's going to give it a run on the track. I think he did really well with this car.
Yes, I do too.
I love Maguilar's products. I use several of them in the garage.
There's the driver in there.
Yeah, it's actually got louvers.
Yep, I see that.
And then the flame comes to the back with the GT wings.
Yep, that's awesome.
The Mercedes logo. I bet these taillights look really boss.
That will be cool if they light up like that. That's almost like an LED strip.
And there's your Pirelli and liquid moly again. Looks like Fox.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's Fox News, man, but that'd be funny. Number 75, BP Fuel.
Yeah.
Yep. SunEnergy, whoever they are. AWS. I think that's a phone company. You know, it looks like an Amazon thing. Anyway, she is just beautiful. I love the big open thing in the hood there, and there's the radiator. That's flipping. Riot. That's flipping cool. And a big old GT something or another thing there. And then you can see some of the control panels and what have you. Camera might not pick that up. Oh yeah, you can see it in there. So the driver's got a bunch of, you know, stuff to play with. If you've ever watched some of these GT races, there's a lot of stuff in them cars. So this car is friggin' sexy, and I'm not even into orange. So
I think it's gonna run like a bat out of hell.
We're gonna find out. But we'll do an unboxing and just run it on the track first, then I'll tune it. We'll do another video with the tires, the guide keel and everything. And see how we do with that. Unfortunately, I don't have the racing app plugged in, but it's all right. We'll see how we do nonetheless.
We'll make it work.
All right, let me set it up for you real quick. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, I'll take over on the camera. Oh, wait, before you take off. Ooh, those look really sexy. Let's move around the front and get the angry.
Oh man, they are bright.
That is very bright.
I'm gonna see that coming.
Look at those eyes. They look angry coming at you with the offsets coming, or you know, the angle coming off the back. That's flipping cool. I saw one of these on the track on a GT race over the weekend, and it looked amazing. That's running really good out of the box, brother.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, this is not tuned. No new guide pin, nothing. We just set it to our regular track settings we use, which is 4 on the speed, 3 on the braking, 4 on the fuel. If anyone's interested.
Use some good braking laps for it.
Yep.
I don't even want to mention I haven't defogged both and jinxed.
No, you haven't. You're gonna now.
Oh, big slide.
There it is.
There's the first piece. Not bad.
No, not bad at all. I think you had 6 laps at least. And he's been running around with his fast cars, so.
Oh, I've been greedy.
Yeah,
yeah.
Faster. Fast is good.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy out of the box. Urethane tires, this would be just flying.
Yeah, that baby will be rocking. And with the tune.
Oh, that's a great slide.
You got a nice GT here.
Sure it's not a muscle car? There's good.
We got a kind of a, I don't know if I'd call it an argument, a slight disagreement on, I think I was talking about it in the video last night about my friend's Capri.
Classification of a car.
It's a 1974 muscle car with wings put on it, just like that Barracuda you want to buy. That's a muscle car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, this is a sweet, sweet car. It runs really good. I like it.
Look at that. It's wide open around that corner.
What we're talking about is Dave's Rasta Capri here. Those two need to battle. Ford versus Chevy. If Dave comes Saturday night, we'll make that happen.
Yeah, I'll get my Corvette out and I'll race him.
No, you won't. He's upgraded the motor in his vet. It's brutal. In fact, we need to have the Corvette race the Cheetah because I think they can keep up with each other. Oh, I liked how you put the track girl on top of the sign there. Yeah, we got the start light in place. Ooh, let's actually do a start so people can see it. Double tap it. Very nice. I picked that up because I like to stand over here and sometimes it's hard to see. We usually have the gantry there, but it got hit and a couple pieces broke off. We're gonna fix that. Guess I didn't use enough glue when I put it together. No big deal.
Those little projectiles we got.
True.
Oh, look at that. That's a good laugh there.
She runs good. All right, folks. You kind of get the idea here. We're gonna do a tune and all that. Say bye, Dave.
Have a good night.
All right, everybody. Metal, thanks for tuning in. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.